has been storming all night long. We've had crazy wind. And yesterday I had showed Eric this tree limb that was cracked over here on this old maple. And as you can see, we didn't even get a chance to cut it down this weekend. We lost it in that storm. The whole thing just cracked right off. Came down and a decent chunk of it landed right on our garden. So yep, that's the back of our fence destroyed. That's gonna be some work to fix. Good grief. So coming in on the inside here, this pile of foliage, it's about 6 or 7 feet tall, but underneath that tree limb there is the majority of my Amish paste, my other paste type tomatoes. Yeah, see it, this whole trellis just became disconnected and oh, that's really frustrating. Definitely a setback. So much for a decent tomato harvest this year. I think some of these might be okay. Some of these plants will be resilient, but ugh, what a mess. So the moral of that story is you can try to make plans all you dang well please, but nature, God, whomever may have other plans for you. So don't cry about it. You just have to roll with the punches. That's what homesteading's all about. We are flooded. But I just wanted to show you something that I have never seen before. That is a solid 4.5 inches of rain. Since yesterday. I've never seen 4.5 inches of rain in one day like this. Well, the good news is most of the garden is above water. That's good. Ay, ay, ay. Look at that. This wheelbarrow's full and it's just been sitting out here like this. We've got some volunteer fungi. Well, my lone celery loves it, I think. I'm starting to see some carrots germinating. Just a few here and there. Plenty of weeds though, that's for sure. These look like the golden beets. I can see the gold hue down there at the bottom. And these will be either my Detroit Reds or the Cylindra. It'd help if I'd go around this way. Oh yeah, Detroit Reds. The Cylindras are down on the end here, not real good germination yet on them. I may have to reseed some of it. That's the problem when you plant cool weather crops when it's still a little too hot out. And the seeds will sometimes end up rotting before they can germinate, so I mean, it's hard to know this time of year in Michigan here. Are we going to be 90? Are we going to be 55? It's really tough to know, but we did get a stretch of 90. So yeah, I may have to reseed some things, but that's okay. Yay, my Swiss chard is coming up. I've got I think this is probably the rhubarb red Swiss chard, and then that's probably the 5-color silver beet. Now, don't judge me by the state of my brassicas here. These are golden top turnips, I think. Look at this damage, all this pest damage. No thanks to this guy here. That's what they look like. They'll recover as it cools down. It's just a little annoying though. But even so, this turnip turned out really well. I might actually think I'll pull this guy. I'm gonna take this guy for dinner here. Do I dare even look at the state of my squash? Oh. Look at all these tomatoes. Oh my goodness gracious. Do you see it? I see it. Hold on. Look at that monster. That is a, what, probably a Ford hooked zucchini monster. I'm actually just gonna leave that guy there, and that's gonna be what I collect seed from. Yeah, because that's too big to eat. That'll be pretty tough. So I'm gonna leave him. You know, all in all though, this zucchini plant is rocking. I mean, I usually lose them to powdery mildew way before now. So I'm pretty impressed. Even so, I've got round 2 of my summer squash coming up here. Round 1 of cucumbers is done. I've got round 2 coming up there. My eggplants have toppled over under their own weight. And I've got a mass of peppers that I'm not going to go through. A lot of unripe ones. Oh, check it out. My peas are coming up if they don't get flooded to death. And my zucchino rampicante have meandered their way all the way from the back of the garden. And the red Malabar spinach is kicking butt. I'm totally gonna plant this again. Not only is it delicious, but it's beautiful. I mean, look at that red. And it's getting these gorgeous flowers. Berries, I think they're gonna be. All right, anyway, not the best day for a garden tour, I know, but ay, ay, ay. I still can't get over that. Look at that. Like my gramps used to say, holy mackerel.